In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sprint in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on sprints, estimate work with sprint points, and navigate the sprint folder so you can plan and track your team's work with confidence. First, head to your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you're part of multiple teams, so everything you set up lands in the right place. Once you're there, open the Apps area. This is where you enable features that power up your workflow. In the search bar, type Sprints and Sprint Points. Start by selecting Sprints. You'll see the option to enable it, and you can always toggle it off later if you need to. Enabling sprints lets you structure your work in time-boxed cycles and brings in sprint-specific views and folders that help you stay organized. If your team spans different areas of the business, you can enable sprints across as many spaces as you'd like, so each group can run their own cadence. Next, search for sprint points. You'll notice the navigation looks very similar. Turn this on as well. Sprint points are a simple way to estimate effort and complexity, so your team can better balance capacity and avoid overcommitting. When the available point values appear, choose the scale you prefer. For example, selecting a value like 3 is a common way to mark a medium-sized task. Pick what matches your team's estimation style and keep it consistent for clearer planning. With sprints and sprint points enabled, you can start assigning estimates and organizing work. Add tasks to your lists as you normally would, then apply your chosen point values so planning becomes more data-driven and transparent. The more tasks you estimate, the easier it is to see workload and make trade-offs before your sprint begins. Now, return to your workspace to manage everything in one place. Open the sprint folder. This view centralizes your active and upcoming sprints, helping you group tasks, check progress, and move work forward with fewer clicks. As you plan, you can add more tasks, adjust estimates, and keep an eye on how much work remains so your team stays focused and on track. And that's it. You've set up sprints in ClickUp, and you're ready to plan with confidence. If the interface looks slightly different on your end, don't worry. ClickUp updates often, but these steps will still guide you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any quick and practical guides. See you in the next one.